Welcome to the channel. Today we will tell you about the camouflage helmet cover used by the Waffen SS in World War II. You see here is a modern copy made for reenactors, but it's based on an authentic wartime model in the plain tree camouflage pattern. The Waffen SS were the first military organization to introduce camouflage painted combat clothing as a general issue. One of the first items, tasted in late 1937 and awarded a patent in June 1938, was the camouflage helmet-covered plain tree, so called from its resemblance to plain tree back. The fabric was printed on both sides in contrasting seasonal color schemes for spring-summer and autumn-winter. The green side is always visible on the other side. Helmet covers, produced from the time of introduction in 1938 until 1941, were smooth on the surface and devoid of attachments. Waffen SS then introduced the so-called second pattern cover, with several strips of the same cloth sewn in loops around the outside to allow temporary attachment of local grass and leaves. The helmet cover had two springs that were hidden under the fabric. These springs kept the cover snugged tightly down all over the helmet. Such care and expense in the production of an item as essentially simple as a helmet cover set the Waffen SS apart from the German army. The cover was made from 3 panels of a tough cotton duck material so as to hug the contours of the helmet. It was held on by an envelope of material that slipped over the peak and by 3 small sprung rocker clips, one on either side and one at the rear. These clips were hinged so that the revisible cover could be attached with either side exposed. In the mid and late war, made from pieces of cloth showing 2 different formats of the plain tree camouflage pattern. Several minor variations are known, and as the covers were made from offcuts of material left over after the construction of smokes and other large items. The use of more than one pattern in a single cover is often encouraged. The main patterns of printed camouflage was as plain tree, oak leaf, and blurred edge. Plain tree and oak leaf have many slight variations are encountered due to manufacture by different companies and the use of differing dye batches. Plain tree camo often includes printed numbers ranging from 1 to 6. The exact purpose of these markings remains debated. They may have been used to align fabric panels during production, to match tent sections, or to identify printing screens. Original SS helmet covers are now highly valued and expensive because of their rarity. Modern reproductions, however, can be purchased for around 40 euros. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more historical content.